Good morning, students. Once again, welcome you in second part. In previous topic, we studied about the exogenic forces, landform made by the rivers, valley, waterfall, gorge, floodplains, minder, and delta, and oxbow lake, and estuary. I hope you understand well. Now, next, landform made by the sea waves, waves which are generated in the sea, so they called sea waves. And the sea waves form some landforms. Okay, sea wave keep changing the form of shape of the coastal areas, creating many coastal landforms. Because of sea wave, rocks lying on around the sea and tides are mainly determine the feature that force the coastal line to retreat and evolve. Less resist rocks at the sea coast are eroded and certain rocks feature as such caves, arcs and stacks are formed by the waves. Because of waves generated due to the winds. Either it may be generated of earthquake inside beds of the rocks. Then it form different type of shapes on the coastal area. Now, just like land formed by the cave, waves, caves, arcs and stacks. Now, cave, arc and stack are landforms formed over a period of time. It take a period of time. It's not formed by the one day, either one ways. It's continuously take a long time. First, crack develop on the rocks. First, it's crack or develop on the rock. Create a crack on the rocks surface due to constant action of wave. Continuously action. Okay, by the wind of this continuously. This is rocks in the coastal area. So it continuously affect this wave effect create action of waves with the time. This crack become a larger and wider. This suppose it may be crack, then it become a larger and wider due to continuously action of the waves in the coastal areas. Now, as this crack expand, they become hollow and finally form a cave. And when this crack wider and wider, then it may be holes, and this formed caves. As this cave expand, they form a hollow and finally form a caves. And sea waves constantly work on these rocks from all sides, and this continuously these waves, sea winds continuously work, and they form another crack on the rocks, and they form finally another cave on the sea coastal areas. Now, further, even this roof and arc are not spared by the erosion work at the sea waves, they collapse. And the further arcs and stacks are not formed easily on the farm, and this is a collapse. Now, only pillar-like features remain, which is separated from the mainland, and sometimes pillar-like features remain in the separated from the mainlands. In the suppose in this sea waves, the other portion is by the wave. They cut eroded all the material, and the only features are either hide rock remains in the sea land on the sea area, so it form a stake. This is called stake, which erode and vanish a long period of the time. Various coastal form in the sea lays. Sea beaches attract the tourists, holidays maker, and swimming, surfing, and other sport in the coastal area. Okay, land forms made by the winds. Next topic is the landform made by wind. Now, landform made by the winds. Above we studied about the landform made by the waves. Now, wind. Wind is responsible for erosion in the desert area. This is a responsible for erosion in desert area. Who? Wind is responsible for erosion in desert area, and there is wave is responsible for erosion in sea. Now, Let's pick up tiny particle of loose sand. pick up. Suppose this is a desert, so it pick up a tiny particle of a loose soil sand, and this sand particle stick forcefully against rock case of a strong wind storm, and this is called sand blast. This is called sand blast. This eroded material struck on the, suppose this is a rocks, so stick on this rocks and with a along with the storms. This called sand blast, and constant wind action shape outer surface create different landform in desert, and continuously this action form and is create a different landform in the desert, such as the mushroom rocks. Now different landforms made by the winds in the desert area, like a mushroom rock and pedestal rocks. Winds erode the lower subtop part of the river. Suppose this is a stone, and continuously wind actions erode the lower portion of the rock. This is lower portion erode by the action of the winds, and remain the portion is like this one. So it's look like a mushroom. I think you might have been seen in the rainy season in the outer side of this place, like a mushroom stuff. You can see in this your book. This is mushrooms. Mushroom like a shape formed by the, because this is the lower portion eroded by the fast action of the winds, continuously heat in this lower portion and eroded by the winds. And there's some stakes. Loose landscape in China, you can see in this one, and the sand dunes formed by the winds in the deserted area. You can see small dunes form in the deserted. Now, next, when sand is deposited in place, sand dunes are formed. Okay, I think I completed this topic. Now, landform made by the glacier. Landforms made by glaciers. Okay, there are three landforms made by the different natural agent. Like first we studied about the water, second wind, and the glacier. Third is a glacier. This is element of the exogenic forces, and they continuously change outer surface of the earth. First water, second wind, and third glacier. Now, how glacier is change the landform of the earth? Now, in this topic, in the region of the cold climate, new and fresh snowfall turn and underlining snow into ice. Okay, continuously in mountain region. Suppose this is mountain, and in this mountain area, continuously might have been seen there is a continuously snow falling, and when ice move down hill under the force of gravity, when continuously this snow falling on this, and the ice when this move with the heavy gravity, either way heavy load, the steep slope of mountain, and they drain in the downside, a gravity is called glacier. When this glacier, it may be snow, and moving along the steep rock of the, and in the plains, this is formed a glacier. A glacier is the river ice. This is a river ice. It may be, we can say, river ice. Now, like a water and the ice, glacier pick up the transport and large amount of material called moraines, and when it bring a large amount of material, sediments or rocks along with this, and this is called moraine. And these rivers, we can use this in the water sediment, but here is we can use this word moraine. And as the material moraine move downhills, it's come at the downhills. Then as the hills, it erode the land, form new landforms, and later the moraine deposit a valley across the lowlands, and deposit whatever it's bring along with the ice, it deposit in the low hills. Now, a glacier valley is deeper, wider, and more strained than a river. Glacier valley is more wider. If we compare to the river water, that it may be more wider. Suppose river form this valleys just like, but when glacier form, it is a more wider than river valleys. And it river valleys, this is a river valley. V shape is formed by the rivers, and U shaped valley is formed by the glaciers. Okay, different between U shaped valley is formed by the glacier and V shaped valley is formed by the rivers. Keep in mind, valley after glaciation is modification of the land surface by action of a glacier, and this landform is created by the glacier action by the glacier, and this is formed by the river waters. Now many glaciate area are now developed national park, conserve, enhance the natural beauty, and people enjoy leisure activities such as skiing and hiking in this area. Okay, now we completed this topic, and tomorrow I will give you question answer to solve. Before the solve of question answer, once again you read this chapter. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.